JB Moro, go and get your bag.
I can't really see where did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Get your new freak is there.
Would be case management. So she'll meet one of our case managers who will give the guidance, the advice, start working on
this video way. So we're told to book an appointment, and we did. So basically the appointment is to help know the kind of job you're looking for and help you write your resume and all of that. So it's time to go home. Fine. Hectic. Hello. Came to do laundry. That's the door. So you press this before you cross the road, and then you wait for this bumper here. So okay, why is it not recording? Okay, I can see that. And then you take a walk. You see all the cars are on hold. Yes, that's the bus, you guys. Okay. How fine and nice. Wow. Are you serious? This place is what? God, is this water? Are you serious? Wow. Oh, like we're literally. Wow. I need to buy one or two things so that we can eat. We haven't
Eat, man.
We haven't eaten.
Food is life.
Oh, we haven't eaten since. And this one was really nice. Hey, for that jollof rice, I love it. Yep, so these. Yes. Do you have bread? So, that is it. Okay, so this is 23 minutes work with my baby.
Keeping it fit, man.
Yes, keeping it fit. Okay,
Just 3 minutes walk.
okay. Up to you. Okay, so this is 23 minutes work.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got to keep it fit.
Keeping it fit, man.
It's literally cold outside. My Nigerian friends, how is it over there in Nigeria? I heard the weather is so cold. No, it's so hot rather. I heard the weather is so hot out there. So, but here we are almost freezing. That's the beauty of nature. That's the beauty of God's handwork. How colorful and beautiful the environment is, literally. Yes.
A long walk. It's not easy.
23 minutes going, 23 coming back, that's 46.
It's not easy, man. It's not easy. See you guys. See you guys.